Okay, so we're in Bangkok, and one of the things that's interesting about here is the coronavirus. It's going to be another coronavirus one, like I was doing in Macau. And one of the things that's interesting is that go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I noticed two things. One is that pretty much every foreigner doesn't have a mask, and pretty much every Asian person does. So the Thai people, Chinese people, Korean people, Japanese, most all of them are wearing a mask, but I don't really see it among the foreigners at all. Some. So we'll just kind of show you a little bit. I'm also going to talk a little bit about the coronavirus so far. I think there's 14 cases, I think as of yesterday anyways, so it could have changed again. There's some without masks, maybe 50-50, hard to say. But one of the things that I noticed is that there was a thermal body detector at the airport, so when you walk in, it's checking for that. But again, this virus, it takes 1 to 14 days to manifest itself. So I think there are lots of people that must walk through because they're only catching the Wuhan people. So I think all 14 people that they caught in Thailand with the virus were all from Wuhan. But you know, you think about it, it originated mid-December, and then it was just maybe about a week ago that they started telling people about it, and all those Wuhan people went all over the place, right? So that means that they're manifesting some of it, but other people are not. The other thing that's interesting too about it is that so here in 1 minute we have to stop. Korean restaurant in Bangkok. The other thing that's interesting too is that some of those Wuhan people now are being checked even though they don't show any signs. So I think anybody that comes in that flight, so some of them are being turned back. Some of them had flu. You know, some that was detected with something through the thermal body camera. We're observed to actually have the flu instead. So it's interesting what's going to happen. I saw an article also about how the tourist areas of Bangkok might be quite affected, and there's a lot of tourism here. So I believe that that's probably definitely true, that would be the case. There's a lot of people who are coming in and out, and there are people that are transiting, and they're all in this area. I was going to go up here, and I think, let's find out. The other thing too is I saw another map of Thailand too, where it showed the amount of Wuhan people and their flights and where they go. And I think this, oh dang it, I thought I was going to be over there and just kind of walk through everything. So, nah, let's go back down. So anyways, so where do Wuhan people go? Most of them go to Thailand. I think it was like 33%. So not many go to other places, but that seems to be one of their preferred travel places. So that means that there's going to be a lot more people who may already be here, who maybe came down earlier during the Chinese New Year as well. So in short, we're kind of in for a ride. So yeah, I'm in Thailand. It's when I was in Macau, there's pretty much everybody has a mask on, and here you'll notice that most of the tourists are not. Most of the Caucasian people are not. So it's a little bit concerning because I'm a foreigner and I travel in the same circuits basically. But of course they wouldn't affect the Thai people as well. So anyways, that's basically what's going on here on the ground in Thailand. Okay, I'll try to get some more updates later, and as I read things I'll share it. So yeah, the coronavirus update in Thailand. I was in Macau, I was doing videos there. Just flew down to Bangkok. Yep.